Welcome to SuperToys. Today we have a launcher and 10 Thomas and Friends minis. You see there's a launcher so we can launch them. So we can launch any of those minis. So our first one is Superhero Thomas. As you can see, he has a cape and a mask, so he's like a superhero. Now I'm going to put the Thomas in the shed. This is actually Jane for the Jane. So, and this is how you launch it. This can open and close like a shed, but if you want it to launch, it has to be open like this, and it's like tracks here. So you see this red button? This red button will help you launch it. So I'm going to press it. Now we have just Percy, the random Percy. So we're going to launch him instead. Now we have Stanley, so we're going to launch Stanley. Now we have Steven for the next engine. Now we have Bill, and it's a sports one with a tennis one. Now we have Diesel 10. That's a mini, just random Diesel 10. Now we have Diesel Thomas. That's kind of a real name. Now we have Gordon as our engine, and he has snow on his face. That's funny. And Salty from Brendan Docks. Let's see if he's slow or fastest. For our best engine, James. This comes out for the launcher because these are set. Thanks for watching SuperToy. I hope you like the minis and our video. Please subscribe and goodbye now.